Hello, everybody. For those of you that have not yet loaded up your journal pages, just two of them from the very first unit in writing skills, your opinion paragraph, which was unit 3, and then now you should be wrapping up, if you haven't already, unit 4's personal story. Friday is the end of the quarter, and I would want all 3 of those to be loaded into your Google folder. So I'm just going to show you really quickly in case you haven't worked with Google in the past. So once you actually log into your students MNVA Google account, you're going to click on the waffle and go to your drive. Now, for those of you that have not added the folder to your drive, now this is my drive, not yours, you would go into your shared with me and you should see a folder that I shared with you. If you don't see a folder that was shared with you, then let me know, or you might have already added it to your drive. So you could just go to your drive and it should be listed if you've added it to your drive. But I'm just going to go ahead and open up, for example, I'm going to go to Mia really quick. All right, so Mia, you're not going to see everybody's folder, but you will see one that has your name on it. Once you're in your folder, everyone has the same folders, kind of like subfolders, if you will, that are in your master, I guess, folder. Now it's the writing folder that you want to go into. And so, for example, I'm going to show you how to drag in. I'm going to actually use Dominic as an example because I have his opinion paragraph actually already on my desktop. So here you can see that Dominic actually, wait, is this Mia? Who is this? Oh, I'm in Mia's. All right, so Mia, it looks like you were able to type up your final copy of your opinion paragraph. That's awesome. I can tell because I can see that there's typing on this page that wasn't there before. So cool. But for example, if you chose to write your opinion paragraph, the very final one, what you would do is once you're in the folder that you want, you're going to go to your, for example, here, I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I have one of the things loaded. It's right here. It says Dominic's opinion paper. And all you have to do is click on it and drag it over, and that's it. It will literally load and appear not only on your end, but also on my end because we're sharing this folder. Now, I don't want Dominic's in Mia's, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that right now. And then, so let's go back to the writing folder here. And so like for the journal pages, again, you would just drag them in. Looks like Mia already did. Awesome. Let's see here, and let's go back to the writing folder, and then the personal story. Again, you would either type your final copy and drag in your rough drafts, or you would type your final copy, or drag in the final copy as well. So however you ended up doing it. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I will be using those 3 writing skills assignments to grade your report card. So it's going to be important that you have those loaded by Friday. And if you need any help whatsoever, just let me know.